Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to work with floor division. So floor division is going to round down to the nearest whole number. For example, when I have 10 divided by 3 and using the floor division, the output is 3. However, if I have the print 10 divided by 3, we see the output and it is 3.33, for example. Okay, so to do the division we are going to use the slash sign, but if we want to have floor division we are going to have slash slash, so double slashes. Basically this floor division is going to round down to the nearest whole number, to the nearest integer value. So you see that 10 is divided by 3 is 3.33. So it is 3.33 and it is rounded down to 3 now because we see the output here. Okay, so in order to give you another example, we could have like 11 and we could have, for example, I don't know, for example 3, and we could have the output x divided by y and then print the x floor division by y. So if I have this they're having the same value. I wanted to have another number but it's okay. So let me have it like 20, like 3. Okay, so x is 23, y is 3. So when I print the x divided by y, we are having the number 7.66. However, when I have the floor division of x by y, I'm having the number 7. Basically, the floor division is shown by slash slash, as you see here, or as you see here, and it is going to round down the output of the division to the nearest integer value. Okay, round down. This is why even 7.66 is rounded down to 7. Thank you for watching.